right, everybody, welcome back. We picked up, of course, our Ford Ranger, and now we make our way to get the car wrapped. And that brings us to the best wrappers on earth, and not the kind that go yo, 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 but the kind that are responsible for making cars like this look amazing. Of course, I'm talking about Mint Wrapworks, and I'm with the owner, Matthew. Matthew, listen, thanks so much, first of all, for taking on the project.
You're welcome.
It's a pleasure to meet you. Tell us a little bit about the company. How long has Mint Wrapworks been around? I know that these are new premises that you find yourself in at the moment, but tell us a little bit about the company.
So Mint Wrapworks was founded by myself in 2019. Great year to go into business just before COVID. But yeah, our customers stuck by us. We know we do top quality work at great prices with great service, and our end goal is just to do things the right way. You know, we don't want that sour taste of any displeased clients in the market for wrapping. So we follow the steps. We do what we need to do it right.
Well, this is why we've come to you. Only the best for the best. Now, when you look at a project like this, specifically when you look at something that you know the end product's going to be something that's radical, what are you thinking? What are your thoughts in terms of wrapping this?
Well, this we're going to start off with just a simple color change. Okay. So from that aspect, we're going to take off all of the trims, the door handles, certain things that make our life a little bit easier to tuck the vinyl in past the visible eye where you're going to see it. We're not going to end it flat on the end of a light. We'll tuck it in as far as we can.
Got you.
So the process is get the car in, we give it a clay bar, we give it a little bit of a detail, we get rid of any contaminants on the surface, and then from there we'll divide the vinyl up into each panel. So we wrap every single panel as one piece. So we don't have joins, we don't have an awkward join in a panel. Everything is wrapped as it would look like it was painted. From that aspect, then everything is put back onto the vehicle, and we follow our temperature cycles. Vinyl does need a curing period in order for the adhesive to really bond to the surface. So we follow that here at Mint Wrapworks with infrared heaters, which assist us in getting that process a little bit sped up. So when the client collects their car, it has done its heat cycles, the vinyl is cured, and it can go onto the road with no problems.
What kind of time frame would you look at if a customer has to walk in with a vehicle and go, Matthew, here's the car, and you know how people are, it's normally a brand new vehicle, so they're dying to get behind the wheel again and continue their journey of ownership. What's the turnaround time normally or typically? Obviously, it depends job to job and car to car, but typically, what does it look like?
So on our average color changes, such as this, we would work on it as a 5-day project from start to finish.
Got you.
Day 1, we strip, we clean, we prep. Day 2, we start the application. By day 3, normally we are finished with the application process, and then day 4 is full post heating, going over everything, and then we start the reassembly process. Once the vehicle is reassembled, we then further bake it some more so that the car can be ready for collection on Friday. But as you say, there are different vehicles that are harder to wrap. There's ones that definitely take a lot more time to strip and reassemble. So it really differs from car to car. But on average, we're looking at around 5 days on a turnaround time on a color change.
Got you. Ladies and gents, I tell you what, if you're looking for somebody to take care of your baby, to give it a whole new look, because this is exactly what they specialize in. This is the very best of the line of work that they're in. And you need somebody who understands your vehicle, who understands the look that you're going to with, for your vehicle, and then getting it done in the most professional way. Mint Wrapworks, this is where you want to take your vehicle to have it done. Keep following our journey. We'll leave all Mint's details in there. Get hold of Matthew and his team for your wrap projects, and they do everything. We were just talking before this video about the kind of other project works they do. If it basically has wheels or can float or fly, they can wrap it. If it flies, make sure that you can get it here though, because we're in Montague Gardens. Make sure you can, there's no landing strips nearby. But thanks for taking care of our Ranger. Matthew, thanks to Stack. Like, subscribe, and join us on this journey for the Bakkie Build of note, turning this beast into the Bakkie to take on South Africa in 2022-23.